Hi, this is Katie, your course instructor. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to find Viewpoint articles using the library database Opposing Viewpoints. So you have two options. One is using the search bar here where you can enter a topic, or the other is to browse the issues. And I'm going to start with that. I'm going to click on Browse Issues. Maybe you're not sure what topic you'd like to research and read on. So here you can see there's lots and lots of issues for you to choose from, so you can scroll through. If something interests you, go ahead and click on it. So let's see here, inflation. So this here takes me to a topics page about inflation. If I click read more, it just gives me background information. So this will be helpful if there's a topic that you'd like to learn more about. You can click on this to get some background information. I'm going to go back to this previous page though. So when I click here on that link to inflation, let me go back one more page to make sure. So here I am, list of topics, click on inflation. So what you'll see is a general information about inflation. This is not a Viewpoint article. Scroll down till you see this section here, featured viewpoints. There are 6 of them. There's more viewpoints. There's 16 total viewpoints. So you can click on either one of these. These are articles that present an argument. There's an issue and a conclusion. You can see it. For example, United States is at risk of hyperinflation. So the issue is always presented as a question. Is the U.S. at risk of hyperinflation? And the author's conclusion, just looking at the title, would be, yes, the U.S. is at risk of hyperinflation. So I can click here if I'm interested in this article. Gives you a little summary of the article. It says commentary. That's a hint that it presents an argument. It's giving us their commentary on the issue. And here's the article itself that you can read and analyze for your assignments. Now, to attach this to your discussion board post, you'll need to use the permanent URL if you chose this article, for example. So to get the permanent URL, do not go up to the address bar up here. Do not take this URL because that's just a temporary one. Instead, click on this Get Link to get the permanent link. So this is the permanent link. Click Select, it'll highlight it, and then you can copy it and then paste it into your discussion board post. Okay, so that's one way to find articles, is to simply click on the Browse Issues from the home page. Click Browse Issues. If you know your topic that you'd like to research, you could just enter it into the search bar. Let's try self-driving cars, for example. This also has a little topics page to teach you. You can learn more about self-driving cars. But again, scroll down. There are many different types of sources available. There's things like academic journals as well. So we'll get to that later in the semester. But for now, I want you to pick one of the Viewpoints articles. This database refers to them as Viewpoints. They're called commentaries, opinion pieces, editorials. They all mean the same thing. They're articles where the author presents an argument on an issue. So this one, Improved Standards for Self-Driving Cars. Just looking at the title, the issue is, should we improve standards for self-driving cars? And I can't tell, but I'm thinking maybe that the author thinks the answer would be yes, we should improve our standards for self-driving cars. So that's it. This is Opposing Viewpoints. You'll use it a few times throughout the semester. This is the first library database. You'll be using other library databases as well. If you have any questions, send me an email, or please join me in my office hours face-to-face or online through Confer Zoom in Canvas.